I still remember it as if it happened last week. I was standing in front of my bathroom mirror, gently pulling back the skin around my eyes, thinking, when did these lines get so deep? I had tried all the creams, the serums, even those expensive spa treatments my friends swore by. But nothing seemed to make a lasting difference. Then one morning at my local community health event, a wellness practitioner, an older woman with skin so smooth it didn't match her age, pulled me aside. She said gently, "You're probably focusing on what you put on your skin. But collagen comes from the inside." That sentence changed everything for me. When I got home, I dove into research, real science, not just magazine tips. And that's when I discovered something I had never heard mentioned in any beauty article or even from my dermatologist. There's actually a leaf, humble and completely natural, that scientists call one of the greatest plant-based sources of collagen-supporting nutrients. The name: Ora nobis. Now, I know that sounds unfamiliar, and I felt the same way at first. But the more I read, the more convinced I became. It's not just collagen peptides in a bottle or expensive supplements. This leaf is naturally rich in plant protein, zinc, and vitamin A, all nutrients essential for collagen production, skin regeneration, and joint health. In fact, studies show that zinc from whole foods like Ora nobis supports collagen synthesis while helping the skin maintain elasticity and firmness. Vitamin A helps with cell turnover. And together, these nutrients work from the inside out, something no cream can fully achieve. Looking back, I wish someone had told me this sooner. For years, I'd been chasing quick fixes while ignoring the most basic truth. That real lasting skin health starts with what you feed your body every day. That's why in today's video, I'm walking you through not just this remarkable leaf, but also 10 other foods that support collagen and skin health in women over 50. We'll start from number 10 and count down, until we reveal exactly how Ora nobis works and how to use it in your routine. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments. Have you ever felt frustrated with your skin or joints not bouncing back like they used to? I read every comment, and I love hearing how others are navigating this stage of life. Alright, let's get started. Food number 10 is something simple, delicious, and surprisingly powerful. Avocado. A few years ago, my daughter casually suggested swapping butter for avocado on my morning toast. At first, I thought, how could something so simple make a difference? But 2 or 3 weeks in, I noticed my skin looking softer, and even my cheeks had more bounce. It wasn't just my imagination. Avocado is packed with monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, both essential for maintaining skin hydration and elasticity. According to a 2019 study published in the Journal of Nutrition, women who ate avocado daily showed measurable improvements in skin firmness and moisture retention. Now, half an avocado on whole grain toast is part of my routine. Sometimes I'll add a sprinkle of lemon juice for extra vitamin C. It's easy, satisfying, and surprisingly effective. My neighbor Carol, who's 68, prefers hers sliced into a salad with olive oil. She swears her skin feels smoother since making it a habit. For women over 50 looking for a no-fuss way to nourish their skin from within, adding avocado might be the simplest first step. Number 9. Raw carrot. Back in my 40s, I barely paid attention to raw carrots. They always seemed like diet food. But after turning 60, I noticed my skin feeling thinner and my doctor mentioned vitamin A. That's when I learned raw carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, critical for collagen production and skin elasticity. A 2018 study in the British Journal of Dermatology even found beta-carotene supplementation helped improve skin tone and firmness in older adults. What surprised me most? It's not just about appearance. Beta-carotene also acts as a natural sunscreen from within, helping protect skin from UV-related damage. Now, I make it a habit to snack on carrot sticks with hummus mid-morning. Or I'll grate raw carrot into my lunchtime salad. My friend Lynn, 62, has her own twist. She blends carrot with apple for a fresh morning juice. She says it keeps her skin clearer and her energy steady. It's such an easy, affordable habit. For women over 50 looking to support collagen naturally, A few crunchy raw carrots a day might be the simplest beauty ritual you'll ever adopt. Number 8. Sardines. For most of my life, sardines were one of those foods I politely ignore. Too fishy, I thought. But everything changed after a routine checkup when my doctor mentioned omega-3 and collagen. He explained that omega-3 fatty acids help reduce skin inflammation and prevent collagen breakdown as we age. He even showed me a 2017 Journal of Lipid Research study confirming this. That's not all. Sardines are also rich in CoQ10, a nutrient that helps boost cellular energy and supports skin regeneration. Once I understood that, I decided to give them a real try. Twice a week now, I mash sardines with lemon juice and a little mustard, then spread it over whole grain crackers. My sister Jean, 71, prepares hers differently. She tosses sardines into her lunchtime salad with leafy greens and olive oil. Both ways are simple, affordable, and surprisingly delicious once you get used to the taste. For women over 50, adding sardines isn't just about heart health. It's about giving your skin and joints the support they quietly need. And honestly, after a few weeks, my skin felt firmer, and even my knees seemed less stiff. Number 7. Red grapes. I used to think grapes were just a sweet, easy snack. But a few years ago, while flipping through a wellness magazine, I stumbled on an article about resveratrol, the antioxidant found in red grapes, especially in their skins and seeds. That piqued my curiosity. It turns out red grapes are much more than a treat. They're loaded with resveratrol and proanthocyanidins, two powerful antioxidants known for protecting collagen fibers. A 2017 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirmed that these compounds help reduce skin inflammation and increase the strength and resilience of collagen fibers, crucial for women over 50 dealing with sagging or wrinkles. These days, I make it a habit. Every evening after dinner, I eat a small handful of red grapes, skin and seeds included. It's become my version of dessert. My friend Maria, now 66, swears by blending red grapes into her morning smoothies, seeds and all. Her skin has this fresh, slightly dewy look. Nothing extreme, just a healthy glow. For something so simple and affordable, red grapes are surprisingly effective. It's like getting a little skin treatment from nature, one sweet bite at a time. Number 6. Green tea. I still remember the first week I quit coffee at 55. The afternoons felt sluggish, until I picked up the habit of green tea. What started as just a replacement for caffeine turned into one of my favorite skin-supporting rituals. Green tea isn't just about staying alert. It's loaded with catechins, potent antioxidants that fight skin damage from the inside. These compounds help detoxify cells and shield collagen from breakdown caused by UV rays. And that's backed by science. A 2015 paper in the Journal of Dermatological Science found that middle-aged women who drank green tea daily showed measurable improvements in skin hydration and elasticity. For me, 2 cups a day is my sweet spot. One after lunch and another mid-afternoon. I like mine warm with a squeeze of lemon for extra vitamin C, which helps with collagen formation. My yoga instructor Helen, now 58, prefers her green tea iced with fresh mint leaves. She always says it keeps her skin feeling firm, especially in summer. Whether hot or cold, green tea offers a gentle natural way to protect and renew skin, something every woman over 50 can appreciate in her daily routine. Number 5. Brazil nuts. It's funny how something so small can have such a noticeable impact. I used to pass by Brazil nuts at the grocery store without a second thought. But after learning about their selenium content, they've become a non-negotiable part of my routine. Selenium plays a vital role in producing glutathione, one of the body's key antioxidants that protects skin cells from damage. A 2019 study in the European Journal of Nutrition confirmed what I now feel firsthand. Selenium deficiency can speed up skin aging in older adults. I keep a small glass jar of Brazil nuts right on the kitchen counter. Just 1 or 2 a day is enough. Too much isn't necessary. My cousin Mai, who's 70, has her own ritual. She crushes a couple of Brazil nuts into her morning oatmeal or yogurt. It blends right in without much effort. After just a few weeks, I noticed my skin didn't feel as tight or flaky during the colder months. For such a tiny food, Brazil nuts really are mighty when it comes to supporting skin elasticity, hydration, and overall resilience as we age. Number 4. Strawberry. I still remember the first time I swapped my usual afternoon cookie for a bowl of fresh strawberries. It didn't feel like a major change, but within weeks, I noticed a difference. My skin looked brighter and felt smoother. Strawberries aren't just a sweet snack, they're packed with vitamin C and ellagic acid, both crucial for maintaining collagen. According to a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, ellagic acid helps protect collagen fibers from UV damage and slows down enzymatic breakdown. That means fewer fine lines and firmer, more resilient skin as we age. For me, strawberries are easiest to enjoy mixed with a bit of plain yogurt for a light dessert, or simply washed and eaten on their own as a midday pick-me-up. My friend Lucy, now 64, takes it a step further. She freezes her strawberries and enjoys them like little popsicles during summer. She often tells me her skin feels firmer now than it did 10 years ago, and I believe her. Simple, delicious, and skin-friendly. That's why strawberries have become my go-to sweet collagen booster. Number 3. Kale. I'll be honest, I used to walk right past kale at the grocery store. It looked too tough, too bitter. But everything changed when my granddaughter showed me a simple trick: massaging kale with olive oil. It softens the leaves and brings out a milder flavor. That's when I started adding kale to my routine, and I haven't looked back since. Kale is loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and chlorophyll, all vital for supporting collagen production and skin health. A 2021 review in Nutrition Journal reported that postmenopausal women who consumed kale regularly saw noticeable improvements in skin hydration and firmness. It's not just hype, there's real science behind it. For me, kale goes into my morning smoothie with banana and a splash of almond milk, or I bake it into crispy chips with a pinch of sea salt. My friend Janet, 69, prefers it sautéed lightly with garlic. She always mentions how much more even her skin tone has become since she made kale part of her daily meals. It's a small green leaf, but trust me, it packs a serious skin rejuvenating punch. Number 2. Lemon. For as long as I can remember now, I've started each morning the same way: warm water with half a lemon squeezed in. It might seem simple, but for my skin and energy, it's become non-negotiable. Lemon is naturally rich in vitamin C, a key nutrient for collagen production and skin repair. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, higher vitamin C intake is strongly linked with reduced skin wrinkling in older adults. It isn't just about collagen either. Lemon supports liver detoxification, which often shows up as clearer, brighter skin. Personally, I noticed fewer dark spots and less dullness after just a few weeks. My neighbor Susan, 65, swears by drinking lemon water twice daily. She told me, smiling, that her under-eye puffiness had faded within a month. The best part? It's effortless and affordable. A squeeze of lemon in warm water before breakfast helps wake up digestion, hydrate the body, and quietly nourish skin from the inside out. Number 1. Ora pro nobis, the leaf that changed everything. I still remember the first time I heard about Ora pro nobis. I was visiting my niece in Brazil, and during dinner, she served a green stir-fry. I asked what it was, and she said, "That's Ora pro nobis, it keeps our skin firm." At first, I thought she was exaggerating. But after doing my own research, I realized she wasn't. Ora pro nobis is often called the poor man's meat because it's incredibly rich in plant protein, over 25% by weight. But what makes it truly special is its collagen-boosting minerals: zinc and vitamin A. Zinc plays a direct role in collagen synthesis, helping skin regenerate and stay elastic. Vitamin A supports skin cell turnover and healing. On top of that, Ora pro nobis contains fiber, which supports gut health. And as we know, healthy digestion means clearer, more radiant skin. One 2022 study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology highlighted its anti-inflammatory and skin-healing properties, though it's still under the radar in most Western countries. As for me, after including Ora pro nobis powder in my morning smoothies and sautéing fresh leaves with garlic twice a week, I started noticing changes within 6 weeks. My skin felt firmer, less saggy around the jawline, and my digestion improved too. My friend Clara, 67, adds Ora pronobis to her green juice. She says it helps her skin feel less papery and more resilient. The best part? Ora pronobis is easy to use. Sautéed like kale, blended into juices, or taken as a powder mixed into water or smoothies. It's gentle on the stomach and works quietly over time. It's not a quick fix, but for women over 50 looking for a natural plant-based way to support collagen and skin health, it might just be the missing link. For me, it's now at the top of my list, above avocado, kale, or even lemon. My skin tells me it's worth it every day. And there you have it. 10 foods, plus one incredible leaf, that can truly change how your skin looks and feels after 50. No expensive creams, no invasive treatments, just simple, steady habits each day. What I've learned through experience is that consistency matters more than quick fixes. Beautiful, firm skin doesn't come from doing something once. It comes from nourishing yourself a little every day. And if you're reading this thinking, is it too late for me? The answer is no. Natural beauty isn't about age. It's about care. It's never too late to start. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods or ingredients are you most curious to try first? Or maybe you already have a skincare food ritual. Share it in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check out the next video on your screen for more natural wellness tips tailored for women over 50.